Oh, so cute, the card. I'm reading my cards. Happy birthday to the most amazing lady in the whole world. Ang cute naman. Hope today is filled with nothing but happy moment. Super cute. Oh, happy birthday. Ang haba ng love letter. Happy birthday, Ate Roby. Thank you for such a beautiful friendship. Ate, ano to, malabo ang mata ko. Though, I even met the love of my life. Wow, what a blessing. You've always been so supportive, generous, ever so sweet, and wonderfully chill. Chill, no drama. Oh, it's not true. I'm always a dramatic person. Just pure positivity. It truly shows, Ate, because she looks so young and radiant. No, it's not true. Never lose that spark in you that makes everyone around you smile. I hope so. You're such a joy to be with, always dancing, dancing. What's this? Singing and spending laughter wherever you go. You and your family have become my truly grateful for having you. Wala mong mata ko, wala akong salamin. So cute. Oh, this is cute. Like it. Hey, Ruby. We wish you happiness, good health, and so many things in life. Ate Belen. Kung perang binigyan Ate Belen sa akin. Happy birthday. Best wishes. Thank you, including me in your special day. Oh, cute. Birthday wishes. Have a great day from Alma. Sweet naman ni Alma. Mother siya ni Josh. Artistang mother. Artista palang anak. Hindi pala baliktad. Love Ness. Sweet ni Ness. She traveled long, like 2 hours, just to be there. Oh, cute. Wishing you all the best in life. Full of adventure. Sana. More adventure. It's cute. Ate G. Ang cute naman Ate G. Hey, Robbie. Happy birthday. Fab time. Oh, so cute. Ang dami. This one is very me. English time. Techi. Oh, Ate Techi. Ang dami palang card. Oh, this one is really cute. Oh. King's family. Oh, really? Ang cute naman. Thanks, Mars. That's all.